I like to eat mangoes and bananas. I like to eat mangoes and bananas. I like to eat mangoes and bananas. Yum, 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 yum. Yummy. Hello, friends. Welcome to another fantastic class at the EduLab 360 classroom. Michael and Maya were hungry, so they went to Daddy and Mommy to make them some yummy meals. So Daddy and Mommy said, not to worry, Michael and Maya, we will make you something delicious to eat. And as Maya and Michael were waiting in the living room for Mommy and Daddy, they smelled the yummy meal. And they went, They smelled the yummy meal and they went, How did they go? How did they go? How did they go? This is the sound Michael and Maya made when they smelled the yummy meal. They went, Next, we're going to be learning the song to the letter sound, Next, you're going to be learning the song to the letter sound, And the song goes like this. The mom and the dad make many meals, The mom and the dad make many meals for their hungry children. The mom and the dad make many meals, The mom and the dad make many meals for their hungry children. Now I want us to sing it together. Are you ready, friends? The mom and the dad make many meals. The mom and the dad make many meals for their hungry children. Well done, friends. Next, you're going to be looking at words that begin with the letter sound. Remember at the beginning of the class, I told my friends I like to eat bananas and mangoes. As in mango. Mango is a type of fruit. As in mango. I spy another word saying hello to me. As in moon. As in moon. As in mango. As in many. As in meal. As in mat. Let's blend mat together. Mat. Again. Mat. Fantastic job. As in mask. Like the face mask we wear sometimes. As in mask. As in mouth. Everybody touch your mouth. Touch your mouth. Mouth. As in mouth. Great job. Well done, friends. Next, you're going to learn to write the letter sound. Are you ready, friends? Magic finger up. Great. Now let's write the letter sound. To write the letter sound, we start at a point. We go down. We go up on the same line. Over the bridge, we go down. Okay? We go up again. Over the bridge, down with a flick. Let's go again. We start at a point. Okay? You go down. You go up on the same line. Over the bridge, you go down. You go up. Over the bridge, you go down with a flick. Let's write it on our board. Remember, you start at a point. Okay? You go down. You go up on the same line. Over the bridge, you go down. Okay? You go up. Over the bridge, you go down with a flick. Ta-da! Again. Fantastic. I'm going to write it again. Remember, we start at a point. We go down. We go up on the same line. We go over the bridge. We go down. We go up. Over the bridge. We go down with a flick. Fantastic job. Well done. Now we're going to be looking at small words that begin with the letter sound. We're going to be blending them, okay? This class has been all about the letter sound, as in man, man, as in map, the map of Nigeria, map, as in map, as in man. Remember to find out more words that begin with the letter sound and more words that has the letter sound as their ending sound. Okay? An example of a word that has the letter sound as its ending sound is ham. 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 See you next time. Bye bye, friends.